Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tools School. My name is Vincent. I received a question someone asked how to print PDF or how to save PDF from WhatsApp. What you need to do is you need to open your WhatsApp, then select your own account, then open the document that you want to print out, select on the document, then you select the three dots, open with three dots, then it will give you the platforms that you can open this document with. So you have Drive, open with PDF, convert PDF to Word, MIPDF, read PDF, then it's open with PDF. Then when you open with PDF, you will see the document, 2 pages document. Then you go on top, select the three dots, then select Save As. It gives you 4 platforms. You can save it: OneDrive, this drive, browse, add to a place, select this device, then it will ask you that you need access. So you allow file access. You can see that it's on. Then you go back, then select in the document section, select the document, then go at the bottom to select save. Then you go back. If you want to print this document out, then you need to select the three dots again, select print. Then you need to look for printer to add. You can see the 2 documents is now attached. So if you go on top, you look for printer, select all printers, then it will start to search for available printer. And another thing is you need to make sure your printer is switched on. We are waiting for the printer to be on. So it's now searching for the printer. Once your printer is on, it will show on the screen. You need to make sure the printer is switched on and also the Wi-Fi light is on. Here we go. So we found the printer HP LaserJet MFP M140WE. Then you select on it. It will bring out the printer icon. Then you send the job on the printer. So we are waiting for the document to print out. And say select print. And see the 2 documents. So the job is now sent to the printer. So the job is sent to the printer. We just need to wait. You will see from the next video clip, you will see where the document was printing out. The document is now printing out. So this is how to save document and also print document from your mobile phone to this printer. Thank you very much indeed.